welcome to my channel. Let's provide answer to this question and integration and differentiation. Given that the dy dx is 6x squared minus x plus 2 and y is given as 5 when x is also given as 4. We have to find the value of, we have to find y. In this case, we are finding the expression for what? Y. Or better still, we are looking for the function of what? Y, which is the y that the function that has been differentiated to give us this. You know, this is the gradient. We need a function that has been differentiated to produce this. So we know that for us to be able to get the function from differentiation, we need to integrate. So we have y, which is the function we are looking for, is equals to the integral of what? Dy dx. So if you integrate dy dx, you get a function. We can also add the x to that, so that in this case the integral of what? Dy dx, we can replace dy dx by its expression, so that become integral of 6x squared minus x plus 2 dy dx. So now if we integrate this, we'll be getting y. So y will be equals to increase this by 1, that give you 3. Divide by the 3. 6 divided by 3 will give us 2. So we have 2x exponent 3 minus, increasing this by 1 will be 1 plus 1, 2. So we divide by that 2 as well. If you integrate a constant, you introduce the variable that you are differentiating, integrating with. So that will be plus 2x. Since this is indefinite integral, we add plus what? C. So you can see that for me to be able to get the function y, I need to know what the constant is. Therefore, in place of x, we put 4. In place of y, we put what? 5. So here we have 5 is equals to 2x, and our x is 4 raised to the power 3 minus x, which is still 4 squared over 2 plus 2 times 4 plus what? C. So we know that 4 to the power 3 will be 64. 64 times 2 will give us 128. So 5 is equals to 128 minus 4 squared, 16. 16 divided by 2, we get 8 plus 2 times 4. That will also be 8 plus what? C. We know that minus 8 plus 8 will give us 0. So we are only left with 5 is equals to 128 plus what? C. But our attention is going to be on the C. See, that's the unknown variable here. So we subtract 125 from both sides. That gives us C equals to 5 minus 128. 128, not 125. So what do? This will give us C equals to negative 123. So putting this back into the function, that would imply that our y is equals to 2x exponent 3 minus x squared over 2 plus 2x minus 123. So this simply means that this is the function that has been differentiated to give us what? This. So this is having its gradient as this. So if you want to find dy dx, then we are going to bring back the 3 in front to multiply to give us 6. We subtract 1 from that, we get 2. we are going to bring back the 2 here, meaning 2 over 2. It will cancel, minus 1 give you x. If you bring the 1 front, it will be 2x exponent 0, which will still be 2. If you differentiate a constant, you get a 0. So the integral of what? Dy dx give us the function that has been differentiated. Alright, thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to share with somebody who may need it. Comment and subscribe if you're new. Bye-bye.